Hello, 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 and welcome. I hope you're enjoying your day. This is for pros. Recently, I did a show with my students, and I was the producer, the director, chief cook and bottle watcher. And what I want to tell you is that you need to be the performer uppermost. Do not try and do too many things. And the second thing is, when stress is happening in your life, your voice is going to take it on. It's extremely hard. So I want you to really, before your show, before you perform, realize one thing. If there's something someone else can do, have them do it. If there's stress in your life, understand that that is going to affect you. And before your show, you have to cocoon yourself. You're backstage. And what you have to do is take time to breathe in and breathe out and concentrate on your audience. See yourself singing the song, how you're going to hit that high note, how you're going to perform the song. Think of where you're going to breathe in it. And the fact that that audience loves you and wants you to do great. Because if you don't do great, they don't have a good time, right? Okay, so remember those two things. Prepare yourself before your show. Don't let people who are talkative and who are taking up your energy before the show into your space. Remember, cocoon. Okay? And then the first thing that I mentioned was you can't do everything. I found out the hard way when I did the show. I had to do so much. I was doing lights, I was doing all kinds of things, producer, director, like I said, and I said, no, can't do that. So when you're doing your show, if there are people coming up and asking you this and asking you that, well, what about this, what about that? Get somebody to answer those questions. Have somebody there that will troubleshoot so that you, before your show, are ready, you're refreshed, you're ready to go. Okay, I sure hope, well, I know that helps you. I really do know because it helps me. I have to do these things too. I'm learning, we're all learning. We learn from our good things that we do, but mostly we learn from mistakes that we do. Boo-boos. We all do boo-boos, but it's not about the boo-boo. It's about the learning. That's the wonderful thing. So I want you going on strong, happy. You enter that stage and you're ready to go. Okay, don't use your voice too much the day before or the day of, if it's possible. Okay, prepare yourself for a great show, all you wonderful pros. Okay, have a great singing day. And I always say, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know. How did you change things? Oh, how did you change things for yourself? Did you move on anything I said? Or what's something that you want to share with other people in the comment? Okay? Ready? Such a day, such a mighty fine day. Whoa, such a day. Bye, 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 bye.